How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode, you guys know that I have those Zdatt LED lights, and I never change the little crystals that they have in it. So if you remember, I did a giveaway on these ones. I have the other ones right here, the Zdatt, and this is not a pay video. I pay for this with my own money. So Zdatt, if you've seen this, you're welcome, and hopefully I get some sponsorship from you guys. But in the meantime, I never change the lights in the car, because on these ones it's very simple. Let me show you. If you see right here on top, we can remove the top from the LED, and then we can remove the crystal. I believe this one is the blue one, blue LED. So let's turn it on to see how it looks the way it is, only white. Whoa, that thing is bright. That thing is really bright. So guys, in this case right now, I was using the blue ones. I'm gonna throw the yellow ones on it, see how they look. This is the yellow one. It came with the package with the clear ones right here, and the yellow ones and the blue ones are on it. So I'm gonna put the yellow one, and I'm gonna do a test, see how the yellow one and the blue one looks. And I wanna see if I wanna use the yellow ones like on my Accord, or I keep it white, which the white ones are right here, or the blue ones. So let me put it on, and then I'm gonna decide which one I'm gonna use. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the lights on, and then we'll see how they look. Whoa, see that, guys? Now that's yellow, but it's not like bright yellow like my HIDs. And this is the blue one. You can see there the difference. It doesn't look like perfectly in camera, but guys, they look amazing. That's blue. That's around 6,000 K. That one is 3,000 K. It looks crazy. So let me move the car so you guys can see what I'm looking. Hopefully when I move the car, the camera can catch the color a lot better. You can see the difference there, guys. That's the 3,000. That's the blue one. There you have it, blue, yellow. What do you guys think? I don't know if I should go blue or just keep in white or go yellow. You guys tell me if you guys like whatever you like from the Zdatt lights. Let me know. I can rock yellow for a little bit, then swap it. That's the good thing about these ones. I can rock blue or white. So let me change it right now. I'm gonna change both with the clear one, just pure white, and tell me what you think. Now we have pure white in this one, and we still have the blue on that one. You can see right there, it looks a little bit of blue in that one, and this one is just pure LED. Okay, so I don't know, guys, I haven't decided yet, but the good thing is that you just remove the bulb, unscrew the top, put the filter on it, boom, there you have it. So I'm gonna rock for a little bit probably the yellow ones. Like I said, I've been rocking those in my Accord for a long time, never having problems. I'm gonna check online. Hopefully I can find different colors, something a little bit even more blue than that one, probably like 10,000 K, because that one is like 6,000 K. This is pure white. I can go and do purple. I'm gonna try to see if Zdatt has more filters, and then we can start rocking more colors. But for now, I'm gonna go for the yellow ones, just like my Accord. hopefully you guys like it. But if you guys don't like it, let me know. I can switch back to the blue, white. There you have it, guys. 3000K. I wish you guys can see it. What I'm seeing right now in camera, it doesn't make justice, but they look amazing. Now both 3000K. Let me show you the filters. Right here, you can see right there, you can see blue. It's really hard to pick on camera the colors, but this one is the blue, and they have a lot of scratches now. Hopefully I can buy new ones. That's the blue, and this is the pure white, and it's really easy to do. I've been using this thing for quite a while right now, and I'm really impressed with the quality. LED lights, guys. HIDs are cool. I have HIDs on my core. They've been running fine for a long time, but there is something about LEDs too. So guys, tell me what you think about this. Hope you like this episode. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below if you like this new setup, and thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you on the next one. Peace.